Here's how I turned a tech disaster into a 7-figure business in just 90 days. Let me tell you a story that changed everything. I lost my job 90 days ago, after 20 years in business. They told me I was too old for the digital world. But here's what's crazy. That rejection led me to discover something massive. A gap in the market that no one was talking about. There are 45 million professionals over 40, just in America, and 89% of them feel completely lost in today's tech-driven world. But here's the wildest part. I took my decades of experience and built something simple. Something made for people who didn't grow up with smartphones. The results? In just 90 days, 1,247 students enrolled, 1.3 million in revenue, and a 94% success rate. And get this, our oldest student is 72. She just landed a $150K digital marketing job. But the craziest part? Big tech companies are now trying to copy our system because they finally see it. Experience beats youth. Every time. And here's my prediction. By 2025, over 40 digital experts will be the most in-demand professionals in marketing. So the real question is, will you be one of them? If you're ready to stop doubting yourself. And finally, master digital marketing. Without the overwhelm, click the link below and start your journey today.